Hey, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing my dad's new Magic Mouse 2 that he got with his new late 2020 M1 MacBook Air, which was not brand new, hence why I didn't unbox that, but this Magic Mouse is brand new, so yeah, let's just unbox it. So right here we've got some scissors so my plan, or at least my initial plan, is just somewhere my scissors are wet, I just had to clean them. Notice that's not exactly proper scissor safety, but at least I didn't hurt myself, so yeah. I'm also not very good with scissors. There we go, now we got the Magic Mouse out of its box, and now let's unbox this piece of magic. Literally, it's in the name. Surprised it wasn't updated with plastic pull tabs. Ooh, and here we have the actual mouse itself, which oh yeah, this feels very comfortable. This is a haptic mouse too. This right here just comes with some basic documentation. Unfortunately, there's no Apple stickers with this because it's technically an accessory. Here we get the new braided Lightning USB-C cable, which I'm gonna put back in its wrap. No, I'll actually take it out. I have it like this. And as always, thank you all for watching this video. I am the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.